Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been scrolling through social media, you might have seen the Jetsono Pressure Washer making big claims about transforming your cleaning routine with its powerful performance. But with so many flashy ads and promises, is it really worth the hype or is it just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, all the information in this review is based on my personal research and opinion. So let's get into it. The Jetsono Pressure Washer is marketed as a portable, lightweight pressure washer that promises to blast away dirt, grime, and stains with ease. Their website features videos showing impressive demonstrations and cleanups. But here's the issue. Many customers claim that what's advertised isn't what they're getting. Let's talk about the reviews. On Trustpilot, the Jetsono Pressure Washer has a very low trust rating or low rating of just 1.4 stars, based on 137 reviews. Many users are saying that the product doesn't live up to its claim. One review mentioned that the videos on the site actually show a different, more powerful pressure washer, and what they received didn't work properly. Some users also complained about the quality of the product being far inferior to what was shown in the ads. There's also a concern issue with refunds. Customers who weren't satisfied with the product reported being offered a partial refund, around 65%, but still had to pay for return shipping, which many considered a scammy tactic. On Reddit, people are even calling the product a scam, with one user mentioning that while the reviews on Trustpilot show a low rating, the site seems to filter out the one-star reviews, which only raises more red flags. So, is the Jetsono Pressure Washer worth your hard-earned cash or is it just another scam? Based on the following or the low ratings, poor customer feedback, and suspicious refund practices, it seems like this product is more hype than substance. I'd recommend steering clear of this one and looking for more reputable tested options. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.